guys, this is Shreya and welcoming you back to my channel The Art of Beauty and Wellness. So today I'll be talking to you about how to make rice water in different ways and its uses. Rice water is usually used for centuries in Asian countries like Japan, China, India for younger skin and healthy hair growth. Rice water is full of vitamins, minerals, and amino acid, which is very helpful for beautiful hair and skin. It has lots of healthy benefits as it contains ferulic acid, which is a powerful antioxidant, and allantoin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Now I'll be showing you different methods on how to make rice water. So the first method is soaking method. Take half cup of uncooked rice. You can use any rice like brown rice, basmati, short or long grain rice. Rinse this rice to remove all the impurities. Now simply add 2 cups of water and soak it for minimum 1 hour. Strain this water into a cup or jar and use this rice for your cooking. Your rice water is ready to use. So the second method is fermentation method. For this method, take half cup of washed rice and 1 to 2 cup of water. Cover it and leave it for at least 24 hours until it turns slightly sour. Depends on climate, it takes time to ferment. If the weather is warmer, it takes less time, and if it is cold, it may take up to 2 days. Once the water is sour, you can use this water. But remember, this sour water in fermentation method is smelly. So to avoid it, I always add sliced lemon to nullify the smell. You can completely skip this if you are comfortable with the smell. You simply need to slice 1 lemon and add it in the water so it nullifies all the smell. And also, lemon is rich in vitamin C and minerals, which is beneficial for your hair and skin. You can store this water in refrigerator, which will last up to 1 week. Always shake well before using. As fermented rice is very strong, you need to dilute it with water, depends on how strong you want, and use it on your hair and skin. Now the next method is boiling method. Here we need to boil the rice to extract the rice water. Take half cup of rice and you need to pour more water in this method compared to the first two. Take at least 3 cups of water, put them to boil. Once it starts boiling, you can use excess water. You can also cook the rice fully and use rice for eating and strain the excess water to use it. Remember to let this water cool down first and then use it at normal temperature. You can also store this water in fridge for up to 1 week. Hope you enjoyed this video of different ways of making rice water and storing them. In my next video, I'll be sharing with you its uses and benefits, and also different tips which will be very useful in day-to-day life. So don't forget to check my next video, which will be top uses of rice water for hair health and beauty. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for my latest upcoming videos.